How to fix an inverted camera on Omegle. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix an inverted camera on Omegle. Open up the web browser. Here search Omegle. Click to open its site. Tap on the video option. Take the checkbox and click to confirm and continue. Omegle asks you to provide access for the camera. Well blocked to provide access. Then click on top bar and go into permissions. Click on camera to allow from block. Then click on reset permissions. Refresh the page. Tap on video, tick the checkboxes. Press the confirm and continue. Then allow access to the camera and microphone. Here you can see the camera is working well. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.